Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the AXO. Now today, we actually have a special package which came in from Suncycle, and it is none other than the Glorious GMMK Pro. So the GMMK Pro was announced last year and it made waves throughout the mechanical keyboard industry with its premium yet affordable design. So it is a 75% layout keyboard with 83 keys that features a compact TKL design. It uses a gasket mounted design with fully modular switches as well as a rotary encoder. Its body is made of CNC aluminum and it has RGB LEDs on the back and the sides of the keyboard. Glorious also has included the pre-looped Glorious Goat stabilizers. So these are screw-in stabilizers, and of course the switches are totally modular, so they're hot swappable. You can swap them out for any switch that you like. Connectivity wise, it uses USB Type-C and the cable is fully detachable. Now without further ado, let's unbox this baby. 6-degree angle, 6-degree typing angle. Right, there we go. You get the ascended on the box here. There's some foam here, piece of foam. Then you get the Glorious sticker, the keyboard itself. Oh, that is really heavy. I would say this is like 1.6 kg right here, but we'll get to the keyboard in a bit. There are also the screws, a keycap puller, a USB Type-C cable, braided, gold plated, length is about 1.8 meters. These are the extra gasket strips and also a switch puller. By just feeling the weight, you can already feel how premium it is. By the way, the one we have is the white ice version. Like when Glorious said that this is an ultra premium keyboard, I actually believe it. The aluminum body, everything just feels sturdy, firm. You get the side RGB glow here on the left and right, rotary encoder. There's the USB Type-C port on the back here, 4 rubber feet on the bottom. Doesn't really change the angle much. If you need the typing angle to be higher, like more than 6 degrees, you're gonna need your own riser. And of course, there's the Glorious engraving, logo engraving on the back of the keyboard. Damn. Yeah, that's my reaction, like damn. It feels really nice. It's not like any other keyboard that I've tested. Like, I have a couple of keyboards, but they're not gasket mounted. They are definitely not of this weight, of this build quality. Even my newly built Atlantis board using a stacked acrylic design, and build quality is alright, but it's not as premium as the GMMK Pro. Glorious's own goat stabs are actually pre-looped. Let's pop in a couple of switches and test it out. Okay, here I have 80 Gateron Yellow Pro switches. I also took out some Echo Ocean Blue just for tactilities. I think I'm gonna need 3 more of those because I don't have enough Gateron Yellow Pros to fill the board. But yeah. Do I have enough? Yes. Alright. Okay, so this area is done. So the 4 macro keys here, I'm just going to use the Echo Ocean Blue switches just for a difference in tactility. I didn't have any spare keycaps, so I'm just going to use these standard PBT ones, keycaps that I got from Taobao. So the keycap that I didn't have enough keys, or rather the modifiers are not sufficient. I'm gonna have to improvise and use the modifiers that I get from the Echo Midnight SA keycaps. So there you have it, the GMMK Pro with mix and mash of keycaps. So right off the bat, you can already tell that the shift key and the enter key seems to be over looped. Like, it's very obvious from looking at the stabilizers itself and from pressing it. If you listen closely, look at how the key takes a while for it to pop back up. And when you press it down, you feel the machinist, it's over looped. It's really over looped. So you might need to clean this out a bit and re-loop them. These two keys especially. But the rest are fine. They actually sound really good. You can still hear a bit of pinging, a bit of rattle here on the right side of the spacebar. It's not as smooth as I thought. The stabilizers on the keyboard definitely need some more work. Alright, so there you have it. Our quick unboxing and very quick, very rough build of the GMMK Pro, because I am very excited, so that's why I didn't have a proper keycap set for it. So I would definitely follow up on this keyboard if I had the right keycaps. Maybe I'll go search on Taobao or something. But that is the GMMK Pro. My first impressions of it is very well built. Build quality is definitely there. The rotary encoder is convenient. The hot swap features and also the RGB side glow and the RGB illumination is actually very bright. One thing I didn't like is that there is no typing angle adjustment. I would definitely need my own risers, which is fine. That's very easily remedied. Another thing I didn't like is that Glorious is calling their stabilizers the GOAT stabilizers, which is greatest of all time. But what I find is that on a stock board where no mods have been made, but the left shift key and the enter key has an excess amount of loop, what you get is very mushy keys, and the stabilizers are just not consistent with the others. So for that to be fixed, you need to take the entire board apart and to unscrew the stabilizers, to wash all the stock lube on, and to basically apply your own lube. And there you go, that is the Glorious GMMK Pro 75% keyboard, 83 key hot swap switches, rotary encoder, CNC aluminum body, gasket mount design, RGB side glow and per key RGB, USB Type-C detachable, very ultra premium build. I would say well done, Glorious, well done. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. That is our quick unboxing and quick build of the GMMK Pro. Do give us a like if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. My name is Terry and I will catch y'all the next time.